In this video, I will show you how to fix ESPN app stuck on the loading screen. So, if you're facing this problem, first of all, check your internet connection, make sure that it's stable and it's working properly. Or you could try switching between mobile data and internet. Now the next thing is you can simply press and hold on to your ESPN app icon, then click on app info. From here, click on force stop, then confirm it. Then go to storage uses. Here you'll find clear data and clear cache. Make sure you click on clear cache. Then go to Play Store. In the search bar, search for ESPN. Here, check if there is any update available. If there is, then simply update your app. And if your app is already up to date and still not working, then what you can do is simply uninstall ESPN. Then press and hold on to your power button, then restart your phone. After that, go to Play Store and download the app again and then try using it. And that's it. If you think this video was helpful, please like, share, subscribe to our channel, and thank you for watching.